Golly, that is a beautiful sunrise. Been getting some rain the past couple days. Got Rusty warming up, gonna take a trip into town. I need some 1-inch hose clamps or cable clamps so I can mount the fuel line for the diesel heater. You should have that video by now, a diesel heater install. I'm gonna try and get that up before this update video or vlog. So yeah, I need some 1-inch hose cable clamps, need some hose clamps, some smaller hose clamps, and some food. I really need some food. I've been trying to get to town for like a week now, but my sleeping schedule is all backward. I was about to go to bed. I woke up at like 8 p.m. I'll wake up as soon as it gets dark out. It sucks. I've been needing to get food for yeah, like a week now. I was about to lay down and go to bed, but then I had a good breakfast, and I guess I got some energy from that because I'm starting to feel like I got the motivation to get to town and get this trip done. And I really want to finish this rebuild or this install. Both. I want to finish the rebuild, definitely, but I'm close to finishing this install on this diesel heater, so I need to go get some parts. A few parts, and more importantly, some food. I'm all out of just about everything. Rusty doing good. He's actually sounding pretty good this morning. And holy moly, the weather has been nice. We had maybe 2 days where it got down to 25 degrees. Pretty cold. But then it went right back up to well, today is 47 degrees Fahrenheit. It feels nice out. It's actually really nice. The rain's holding off. It was pouring down pretty good yesterday and the day before and a little bit before that even. Raining for a few days now. Oh, but it's nice, yeah. I've been hearing, which is crazy because I've been hearing everywhere else has been getting a cold snap. I actually heard that prior to winter getting here this year, or for this season. Everyone was saying it's gonna be a cold one, but we got lucky somehow. We're in like a tropical, what do you call that, a tropical jet stream or something. I was not looking forward to winter this year, and it's like held off for me. It's nice. Fingers crossed. I guess it could still be something on the way, but yeah, no, just a couple days of 25-degree weather and right back up to 47. It was warm last night. Probably 40s, low 40s last night. Right now it is 47. It is 9 a.m. January 29th. Oh boy, the view coming off this mountain is so gorgeous sometimes. All that low-lying fog. Thin layers of fog hanging around the trees. Oh man, I love it. Beautiful day today. Feels good to get out and about. Been cooped up too long. It's time to hit the road and get some supplies. Beautiful out right now. A little rain coming to handle one-handed. Very versatile. Alright, got some food, got some stuff at the hardware store. Got my cable clamps. Insulated cable clamp. Got everything I needed except for 3/8 inch 90-degree barbs. Nobody carries 90-degree barbs. Except for Lowe's, they had one 90-degree barb, but that was a 1/2 inch 90-degree barb. So, got those ordered though. So, got what I needed. Especially food, really needed that. Oh, sticky throttle cable. There's got a couple Class A campers over here. Old timers. This one's been here a while. Pace Arrow. Come on, throttle. It's so sticky. And this one's really cool too. Vogue. Is that what this is? Yeah, Vogue. Vogue 2. That's a really cool old one. In pretty decent shape. I love seeing it. I can't wait to get back. I've said that enough. Well, we just got a few more things left to do on that RV. Get back to it ourselves. Oh man, I can't wait. Every time I see a Class A in the parking lot, I'm like, I just miss it. I'm jealous, even though some people in that situation are living pretty rough. But I think it's a great way to live. No monthly rent payments, no landlords to deal with. RV living is the life. Golly, it's beautiful over there. Can't help but to think every single time I look at this scenery about how much I'll miss it. West Virginia's got some pretty beautiful scenery though too, so maybe it won't be too big of a change up. But being between mountains like this with this huge stretch of land, farmland in between, apple trees, chestnuts, or not chestnuts,